points have all been identified. Let's start fixing. The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job. The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. Now let's wipe away the water stains on the car. Wow, the car is so clean now. Great, it's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. My favorite car is fixed. Thank you so much. Be aware to stop at red light and go at green. Take it easy when the yellow light is on.